Let's build a real cloud application using AWS. In this project, EC2 runs our FastAPI website, students upload files, Amazon S3 stores those files safely, and SQLite keeps a history of every upload. This is the same architecture used by many real web applications. Here's our project structure. The main logic lives in main.py. The requirements.txt file lists all the Python libraries we need. The .env file stores our AWS settings, and the templates folder contains our HTML pages. Keeping everything organized makes the project easy to develop and deploy. Instead of putting AWS information directly into our code, we keep it inside a .env file. Here we specify the AWS region and our S3 bucket name. This makes the application more secure and allows us to change settings without editing the source code. Now we connect our FastAPI application to Amazon S3 using the Boto 3 library. We load the configuration, create an S3 client, and from this point on, our Python code can upload files directly to cloud storage with just a few API calls. Next, we create a small SQLite database. Every time a user uploads a file, we'll save information such as the student's name, file title, original file name, the S3 file URL, and the upload time. This gives us a complete history of all uploaded files. When the user selects a file and clicks Upload, FastAPI receives the file, generates a unique file name, and uploads it to Amazon S3. After the upload finishes, AWS returns a URL that points to the file stored securely in the cloud. After the file is safely stored in S3, we save its information into our SQLite database. Instead of storing the actual file again, we simply save the file's URL along with the student's information. This keeps our database small and efficient. This FastAPI route creates the home page of our application. When a user visits the website, FastAPI opens the SQLite database, reads all upload records, and sorts them so the newest files appear first. It then sends the data to index.html, where Jinja builds the HTML page. Finally, the browser displays the upload history for the user. This is our application's web page. Users enter their name, add a file title, choose a file, and click Upload. The form sends the file to our FastAPI backend on EC2. Below the form, the page displays all previously uploaded files, making it easy for users to view and access their documents. Finally, we deploy everything to an EC2 instance. We install the required Python packages, start the FastAPI server, and open the EC2 public IP address in a browser. Congratulations! You've built a real cloud application where EC2 runs the website, S3 stores uploaded files, and SQLite manages the upload history.